Hello viewers, I discuss today different use of 0, and 0 is an interesting number we already know, but we are discussing today the different viewpoints and how 0 use in different prospects, and actually we are overlooking the situations of 0. That's a very important number. It's a part of integer also and may be called as rational and real number system, but we have different uses. Usually we overlook these situations in abstract sense and in different application. Now my today's topic is to discuss in different type of uses of 0. Let's watch this video till the end without skipping. And the viewer who are watching this video first time, they subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification and latest update of my video. Let's watch. As usual, code says first one, if 0 is treated as a number, then 0 is belonging to the integer, and this integer is a subset of rational number by the definition of the set theory, and already the subset of all rational number is the subset of real number. So indirectly 0 belonging to the whole sets of real number, and that's why it is belong to the set of rational number and set of integer also, and this is a property of recognitions. Now let's watch how 0 uses. Now second case is if we consider 0 as a vector in the vector space, as we write here in three-dimensional figure, that is a null vector. 0 vector is equal to 0y plus 0z plus 0k. That's all components are scalar 0 0 0, and this is the applications of null vectors. And next watch the abstract sense of 0. Now let's discuss another property of 0, that 0 is the additive identity element. And if we see the structure of 0, and if we follow, 0 is added to a number say a. If a is belonging to the real number set R, then 0 plus a is a plus 0 plus a is equal to a plus 0 equals to a. If we consider a belongs to R, then we called as 0 as the additive identity element, and it has first application in group theory, in additive group theory. Now next watch another property of 0. If we consider another interesting property, if 0 is multiplied by a and any number, we get finally find this 0. 0 dot a is equal to a dot 0 is equal to 0, and 0 is here 0 ideal of the ring. If we consider ring as R plus dot, double compositions plus and dot, that's form a ring, and 0 is considered here 0 ideal. This is another property. Now for the next stage, roots of any equation is nothing but the 0 of this equation. If we consider for an example treated as x square minus 2x plus 1, then if we consider it, we are finding this result x minus 1 and whole square equals to 0. So x equals to 1 and 1, that's double root, and that's are the zeros of the equation x square minus x plus 1. And if we substituting this value x equals to 1, that satisfies this equation 0 equals to 0. So x equals to 1 is nothing but the 0 of these equations. So here 0 means the roots of this equation, that's called origin of this equation, that's why it is called origin. So use to treat as origin, we using always 0, and we already find this result by an example. In every stages we use in this way, and generally we overlook this type of situation, but it is very much real, and it is reality that 0 never be ignorable. Now few couple of incidents we discussed today, and certainly it will overlooked by us, but this is a reality. We end our discussion today. If you like this video, like it, share it, and to get this type of interesting video, always subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.